Hello Internet, Ghost here with minivlog 248. My right leg's giving me a bit of a jiff, but hey, what else, I went for some walking, and with the whole COVID-19 lockdown and whatnot, it's a pain in the arse. But since things are lifting and whatnot, definitely going out for more walks when I can. And so yeah, a bit tired. So yeah, I have found not No One Lives Forever, Silent Hill game. So played like a half an hour with that or something like that, and it's a bit weird, but yeah, there you go. I might see if there's any way to, upgrade or like mods. I've got PlayStation emulator on your computer, and now having a emulator is not illegal. Downloading ROMs off the internet is illegal. Big difference. It's like owning a car. It's not illegal to own a car. It's illegal for you to drive a car without a license. But there's no there's no law that says you can't own a car as long as you don't drive it. Anyway, so yeah, that's pretty much today, really. Getting some serious hay fever stuff since having trouble with the old breathing when I'm asleep. But one hay fever tablet thing, then things clear up. Grand, groovy, and today's been raining on and off. So yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it, really. Till next time, ladies and gentlemen, whatever.